Hi, and welcome everyone. Thanks a lot for taking the time to view the channel. Check out brucecesar.com. It's my website. My astrophotography is there. The red planet will be posted there tomorrow morning. The world is not doing good at all. It's scaring me. Seriously, major change. And now I am going to declare one thing. No, not the end of the world, but a major shift in the currents. The shift, what stage are we at? The beginning, the middle, the end, the polarity shift. One of the the polarities are shifting, and we are feeling this effect. Every country in the world is feeling the effect. 2015 was the hottest year worldwide. I'm not talking about North America or a couple countries, it's worldwide. Hottest readings busted. All the records busted. Floodings in areas that never flooded before. We are going to see, we are seeing, and we will soon see rivers in the deserts. And you know what? I'm talking a few months from now. I'm not talking a few years. We'll see snow where there's never been snow. Where snow does not occur, it will be spontaneous. In a matter of 48 hours, a snowstorm can occur. Taiwan is going through a snowstorm, almost 100 dead. Super typhoon, never seen before. It's forced and gusts of winds in the Philippines right now. Many already dead. Puerto Rico just went through hell. So did all the islands from Florida Keys all the way down and up towards, I don't know how far it went in Irma. UK, Wales, Ireland, waiting for Ophelia. 200 miles an hour gusts of winds. Deadly force. Right now. This is all in one day. China, Hong Kong, freezing rain. Right now. Already many dead. Floods. Everywhere. 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 Right now. California, right now. Burning. Many dead. We've seen the biggest CMEs, coronal mass ejections on the sun that we've ever seen in our entire lives. And in a period of few weeks, many other anomalies on the sun. Many channels are getting them, even the space agencies. No longer can be hidden. So is something coming to Earth? Aside from that, are we getting both ends? Are we getting something that's changing the magnetism of the entire universe because it's so big and it's moving around in the universe? And the polarity shift? Or are these changes caused by the polarity shift? 40 kilometers a year? What? By the time my son's 40, like China will be here, like on top? This is no joke. 40 kilometers a year, guys. And that's until it starts going faster. We've seen earthquakes, eights, nines, and now tens. What's next to come? 11s, 12s, 15s, 20s on the Richter scale? We're seeing fish die. And let me tell you, 10, 15 years ago, never heard of any fish dying. Ever. In groups, we're talking about millions of fish dying in a matter of hours. Not small fish, whales, dolphins, sharks, every species going extinct more and more. The ones that will be saved, well, this will be like a Garden of Eden. It'll be like heaven. You know, we're on the verge of seeing rivers formed into deserts, okay? Everything's going to shift, and it says the word itself, it says it all, a shift. Temperatures will change drastically. We're seeing it. I've never seen it so much in my life. It's scaring me. There's too much going on. It's going too fast. And now the asteroids and too many changes and blood moons. Why all these changes all of a sudden? And it really is all of a sudden. It's just happening so spontaneously. We have no time to realize and catch up on what's going on. It's just, India, Pakistan, guys, they're in trouble today, too. You know, deaths again, flooding. It's horrible. We love India. We love all these countries. Ireland now, Ophelia, I think I mentioned it, is on its way. Hang tight, guys. Be safe. I mean, never mind our houses. We gotta really never mind the houses. Well, when it hits. Yeah, I'll cry when I lose my house and my telescopes and everything. But you know what? If that's what's gonna happen to us all, okay, I accept it. We're gonna move on. Hurricane Ophelia is gaining intensity, guys, in cold water. So we're defying laws now. Why? Well, now we should look outside of Earth's atmosphere. That's where the possible problem is. There's something out there that's huge. I mean, just look at this object. If they're this close to our Earth, would it not entirely unregulate the Earth? And we're not going to know about it because then, everything will start crashing. The stocks will start crashing, investors will start pulling out, and then they need a new system, a new world order. The red dust, it stuck with me. People are saying, Nibiru or Planet X, it has a red dust. I've never caught anything with as much red radiation or dust around it, and there are other stars beside them. Whether they be stars or galaxies, I don't know what they are, but this object, this massive object, is not just an object, it's an entire system that we're looking at. So, on October 6th or 7th, I caught this planet. Look at the minerals on the surface, the colors that are coming from it. I thought I was in heaven. I've never seen this many colors on the surface. And you know what? I'm able to get a really nice glimpse and an idea of the basic topography of this planet or unknown celestial object, whatever it may be. Look what we're looking at. I mean, it looks like the moon. It so looks like the surface of the moon. It looks like there are light sources, colors. At times, it's too early to say if I can see paths, but I'm very happy to share this view for the first time of this. Another unknown celestial object, another part of the system of the unknown celestial objects that are disturbing our solar system and many other galaxies. Light sources on a surface of a broken piece of rock? No. It does look like it's something that was smashed in half. You see that half moon on top there, that spherical line, half spherical line, moon shaped line over the top of the surface. Look at the lights. It's really astonishing to see this size, that close to the moon without most people seeing it. Tomorrow, go to the retailers. Actually, I go to the bank first tomorrow to deposit that check and see how fast we can get the money. Call the retailer. A lot going on this week, guys. Thanks for the support. That 14-inch telescope is close to being on its way.